Welcome back, Python enthusiasts. In this video, we'll dive into the powerful itertools module in Python. Itertools provides various functions to work with iterators efficiently. Let's explore. Let's start with the count function. It generates an infinite sequence of numbers starting from a specified value. We import count from itertools. Then, we create a counter starting from 3 with a step of 2. We iterate over the counter using next function and print the next 5 values. Now let's see cycle in action. It endlessly cycles through elements of an iterable. We import cycle from itertools. Then we create a cycle object with a list of colors. We iterate over the cycle object and print each color. Since it's cyclic, it repeats indefinitely. The repeat function generates an iterator that endlessly repeats a single value. We import repeat from itertools. Then we create an iterator that repeats hello 3 times. We iterate over it and print each repetition. Moving on to product. It computes the Cartesian product of input iterables. We import product from itertools. Then we create 2 lists, letters and numbers. We find the Cartesian product of these 2 lists using product function and iterate over it, printing each combination. Next up, permutations. It generates all possible permutations of an iterable. We import permutations from itertools. Then we create a list of colors. We generate permutations of length 2 from this list and print each permutation. Let's explore combinations now. It generates all possible combinations of an iterable. We import combinations from itertools. Then we create a list of colors. We generate combinations of length 2 from this list and print each combination. Lastly, let's look at combinations with replacement. It generates all possible combinations of an iterable with replacement. We import combinations with replacement from itertools. Then we create a list of colors. We generate combinations with replacement of length 2 from this list and print each combination. That is our exploration of itertools in Python. We've covered various functions to efficiently work with iterators. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!